Is that the camera? Your brother's so funny.
What did she say? She's neck.
What do you think?
Yeah. I wonder if she's gonna do that. What? What did you do?
Silly Natalie.
Was that
I love it.
baby's pet?
Yeah. It's called blowing raspberries, which I don't really know why it's called that. Say good morning.
Good morning. What's that?
I want you to say it to the video.
Good morning.
I'm going to send it to Daddy. Say good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, Daddy.
Are you going to be a good boy for getting ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You should put your shirt on.
Newly Nally. Newly Nally Baddies.
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros say cheese.
They do not.
What do they say?
I don't know. Do you know what rhinoceros says?
No.
Hold on, that's the wrong armhole. You get your shirt on backwards.
Can you help me?
Sure, honey.
Oh.
I will help you.
Can you help me put my shirt on?
Mm-hmm.
Cause I can't make it.
Okay. You can do it. Here, let's
La,
just...
la,
I'll just
la.